Well, the challenges we're facing is the access of information from tickets. So finding information from past tickets, and also in the communication styles of our engineers, particularly finding information in ConnectWise. So we've got a whole history of tickets and resolutions, and finding those patterns for junior engineers to be like, well, where will I start with this ticket? It can use insights to look at the history and to come up with suggestions. Right. So the experience is the first liners diving into insights straight away, because the first liners are like sponges. They want the information and they don't have information, so they suck that information in, and they find insights very useful. So it helps them to resolve issues before escalation. Personally, the best feature is the summary, the ticket summary. If there's a long summary, like a ticket that's got 20 time entries, I summarize it, and it can help me to find out what's happening in that ticket, and some of the engineers love that. But also the job notes, which helps the team to summarize what's happened in the ticket to create the job notes, and also the text perfector. We have a couple of guys where English is not their first language, and it helps them to create perfect text. Insights has helped our junior engineers. It helps them to find solutions. So like I said, from past problems, it helps them to read through the notes, and it helps them resolve faster, so we have less escalations to more senior engineers. Absolutely. Yeah, so it helps speed turnaround, so it aids with one-touch fix, which is an important metric for us, and it aids in communication. So engineers can often struggle with communication, how they write notes, and working in a technical industry, it can become a long technical notation in the ticket. So it helps in the communication, which helps keep customers happy. Well, funnily enough, yesterday we had a quarterly team meeting where it was more like a Q&A. So we were asking, where are people struggling? And one of the discussions was one of the engineers writes quite very tech-heavy notes, and one of the junior engineers was telling him to use insights to reduce the text speed, basically turn it into English. I would 100% recommend Insights set up MSPs, because it makes a difference to your team, makes it more efficient, and aids in communication.